As a mom of four girls who is always looking for easy hairstyle but beautiful to style our children, so I decided to do this beautiful, simple, natural hairstyle for Victoria today. So I want to walk you through on how I make this hairstyle and how you can easily style this hairstyle. All I want from you is to like this video, share and comment. So let's get started. As usual, after you moisturize your hair, you spray it. Like I always say, if you'll be following this channel, and this is what I do. I just section the hair from this side and this side. Like I section it into three, but I'm going to weave it just a little, like one or two step from the back. The reason for this is just not to make the hair to drop down that much. Sometimes when you make a cornrow, that the hair go back, and it can, how do I say this? You can feel the pain. I don't know what I'm explaining, if I'm explaining it well. Like we just do the hair straight. Sometimes they complain that the hair is paining them, but when I do like three strands back, they don't complain. So that's what I did there. So apart from that, the hair just goes straight. So after I section it into three, then I started this side like this, just line it till where I say I made three lines at the back. Then I use edge control to clear the part. So this edge control I use this time, it is Shine and Jam. And this is the worst Shine and Jam I have bought ever. Like, I think this is the fake one. I've been using Shine and Jam and it's perfect. But this one, I don't know what happened. So I just decided to use it today, and yeah, but because of the oil I'm going to apply on the hair later, it's not going to show anyway. Or maybe I'm using too much, because sometimes I feel that I am applying too much of this edge control on my kids' hair. Although it's not causing any damage on their hair anyways, but sometimes I feel I'm using much. So after I section it this way, I just started weaving it. You see the way I'm doing it now. So the line that I sectioned it, that is where I start the lining and down. So, and after that, I use the edge control to comb it to make it smooth. And yeah, do what is good for you. If you want to use brush for the smoothing, anything you want to use, just do you. Okay. Yeah, what I use is just this comb I'm used to section it now, because sometimes I have those things to use it, but sometimes because of I have to fast before baby start crying, I just have to do what is fast for me. Although it come out also well, but sometimes it slow the process down. And this natural hairstyle we are doing right now is not hard, and it didn't take me time. It didn't take me up to an hour. I always look for easy hairstyles to style my kids, because I don't have one, I don't have two. They are four, although three are making their hair, but the baby have not started yet. So Diamond, Victoria, and Bianca, they are the one making their hair yet, and Latisha have not started, but we'll be starting our hair soon. So you see the way I section it now. After I section it, away with that side, I cut it again. So this is how I'm going to, yeah, keep doing it. So just keep watching and see how we finish this hair. So let me just, I think I have to just keep quiet to let you see the process, how we do it. So now we are done. See this side. So the way we do this side, the same thing I do it for the same way I made the other side. So now this front here, I'm just going to also line it down just like the other ones, but but just that the way the position is quite different from this side and this side. So this middle here is different. Just see, after I section it, the same thing, I just clear the part and I weave it. So, and if you are doing this, what am I going to explain this, please? So this side here, like when you get to that edge there, you see how there is. So you try to form like a C part, and after I finish that line, I don't want to do the same thing to the other side. So I decided to just do another 2 line from this side, just like this, very short. You just line it, end it here. If you see this one now, I did not take it to the back, I just end it right here, which I'm going to just weave it, cornrow it. Cornrow weave is the same thing, right? Just do it till it end on there, because she needed something. She want to have something with beads, and as in something that will come to her the front of her hair. So how to do it is just for me to just, okay, let me just form style there. So that is why you see I make this one now, and I just drop it at the side. I make sure it's not in her eyes, in case she's running or do anything in school, it will not be entering her eyes. So, and what I normally do when I'm weaving at the end, I always use twisty to finish. You see, this is what I do right here. I use twisting to finish this part. So after I finish this one, I will also section the other part and I will do it. So let me leave you to continue watching. So now see, inside is longer, that is why I'm using brush. So after I also section it, now this one is going to be at the back, it's going to go to the back. So it just that too I dropped there. So I hope you understand the way I'm doing it, and I hope you are enjoying this video. So if it's the first time I'm coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Susan, a mom of four girls, and you are welcome to join the family. And don't fail to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. To my channel subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all for your endless support. So please do help us to be liking this video and share. So you see the way I do this, my hand, why landing that place. So the way I section that place now, so you see the way the weaving will turn out to be. So in case, like, anyhow you want to section it that it will work for you, just do it. So this is the way it can be very easy for me, because if you see me right now, you see I'm already tying a wrapper. So Latisha was already crying, so I had to carry her. If not, the way she's crying, I cannot do anything. So I just put her in my back. So this is the reason why I always look for something very simple. You see that edge there? You see the curvy, the way it's curved? So that is exactly what I was looking for. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Being a parent in Europe is really not easy. Like, for example, I'm in Africa right now and I am making hair like this. There will always be people around to help you hold your child, and when you are here, you'll be alone with them. Like whenever I'm doing something and Latisha is kind of, she need my attention, but I know she's not hungry, she just wants me to carry her, I just use my wrapper and just wrap her in my back so I can be able to do the things that I want to do. So being a parent in abroad is really, is sweet, it's challenging, but I think we are surviving it, you know. So yeah. So you see the way I finish the parts now. So after I section it, I just weave that one inside. So the other one I'm going to weave it round just like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this video. And how about you? How do you face the challenging of being a mom and also taking care of the house and take care of your kids' hair? Are you the one making your kids' hair? Are you the one like doing your house chores, most especially when you are here in abroad? So how do you manage? I just want to a mom, my fellow mom like me, to relate. How do you manage your life with your kids? How do you, yeah, how do you handle things? Do you have help? Does does your friend come around sometimes to help you? And yeah, because for me, I don't have any friends, even in abroad self, who will come and help you. Nobody. You're just on your own. You have to do this yourself. You are, when you have children, they become your friend and all that. So yeah, I think we are surviving it, right? So this is the bead I put, both the back and the front. So I think I put 5. Yeah, 5. So after I put the bead, I push it in. I use the hair to roll it a little, then I use rubber band to hold the hair, the hair to the, to secure it, yeah, so to say. So now I've already dropped Latisha. She was sleeping, so I went to go and lay her. Now we are done with the hair. See, this is the hair oil that I am applying on the hair. So I think my next tutorial should be this, how I'm making this oil, because I'm waiting for this the one in this cup to finish. So I will make another one, then while putting it, I will just make the video, and yeah, I will have to show you guys soon. So this is the end of this hairstyle, and I hope you like this hairstyle. And I want to know what you think about this hairstyle. So thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. Once again, thank you all for your support.